Hey guys, it's Derrick White from TopEnhancementReviews.com. I'm making this quick video because since the release of the Penomet, people have been asking me about the strength and the different kind of gaiters that come with it. Which is the actual, a gaiter is the actual pump portion right here, and as you can see here's two additional gaiters. I had the premium package, so it comes with 5, including the orange gaiter, which is the F80 gaiter, which is the strongest pump that only comes with the Penomet premium package. If you get the basic package, then you only get 1, which is the weakest one, weakest gaiter, and the extra package comes with 3 gaiters, and the premium package comes with 5, including, like I said, the strongest gaiter, which is the best and strongest pump. And if you plan to go all the way with this, with your penis enlargement routine, I definitely recommend it. I mean, well, it's not even recommend, it's a must if you plan to go all the way. Make sure you check out my full Penomet review on my channel and check out the link below the video to read more about each gaiter on the Penomet's official website. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below the video or send me a private message on YouTube and we'll chat. Alright, I'll talk to you later.